Hi guys, my name is deveshya joshi from Dev Educate. Today I will be telling you about my chapter 11 of Science Voyage, our solar system. First of all, would you like to name 5 things that we see in the night sky and 5 things we see in the sun sky? I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, what are they? First of all, we see the sun in the sky. We see birds. We see rainbows. We see sun. We see rainbows. We see birds. We see animals. And most of all, we see the sky. Those are the 5 things that you will see in the day sky. The sun, clouds, the blue sky, rainbows. Those are the 4 things that you will see in day sky. In the night sky, you will see constellations, planets. Planets. Planets, constellations, stars, and the moon. Those are 4 things you will see in night sky. Now, what is our solar system? The solar system is a bunch of planets, comets, asteroids that revolve around a singular object known as the sun. The sun is a gigantic ball of gases, of hot gases, such as hydrogen and helium. Mixing them both together creates the sun, or a star. We'll talk about stars later in the video. So, stars. Next, what? Planets. Next, we have planets. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 planets, including some dwarf planets. We'll talk about them also later. Let me tell you about the 8 main planets. So, first of all, we have Mercury. It is the first planet and is the smallest planet. That is the first planet. The second planet is Venus. It is one of the hottest planets and is also called the evening star or morning star because sometimes in the evening or morning you can see Venus. And Venus. So basically, after that we have our planet. The planet that you are seeing this video. The planet that everybody lives on. Earth. It is also called the blue planet because 70% of it is water. And you can only use 0.03% of that water. So basically after that we have Mars. Mars is a planet that is completely red because of some soil formation problems. The soil rocks and everything on Mars is red. except for the rovers. Except for the things that we have put it on it. Those are not red. Sometimes dust storms of red gases come onto Mars and completely wipe everything out. Then we have Jupiter. This is the biggest planet. It is a gas giant and is the first of the outer planets. Jupiter is a gas planet. A gas planet is a planet which is completely made up of gases. You cannot step on Jupiter or else ta-da! It is completely surrounded by poisonous gases, because if you step on it, then ta-da, you're dead. Basically like that. Then we have our other one, which is Saturn. Saturn is the only planet in our solar system which has rings. It has 73 It has 73 rings. It has 73 rings. 73 moons, and Jupiter has 53 known moons. No, does Saturn have 53 known moons and Jupiter's? Yes, Saturn has 53 known moons and Jupiter has 73 moons. Please correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong about that. But I very much am thinking that it's Jupiter that has 73 known moons, and Saturn has known moons. So basically, Saturn has rings. Rings are formed when one moon crashes into a planet, and the gravitational force of that planet starts warping the moon into bunches of dust. Bunches of dust which mix together with it to form rings. This is not known as anything because it's not in the book. After that, we have moons. Moons are natural satellites. Moons are also known as natural satellites because satellites are machines that revolve around planets. Our natural satellites are the moon, which help birds detect where they are going in the night sky. Then after that, we have our satellites, man-made satellites. You might have already heard about this. These are the things that give you connection to Google Maps. So, after that, we have our Earth. The Earth has two things. I've already explained the Earth in detail. Let us talk about rotation and revolution of the Earth. So, basically the Earth has a tilted axis. An axis is an imaginary line on which the Earth rotates. The axis is tilted by 23.5 degrees. Then we also have another imaginary line called the equator. This is the line that determines the middle of the earth. So basically after that we have our next. That is the seasons and the day and night. Because of the rotation of the earth on its tilted axis, this causes day and night. As the tilted is tilted, the side that is tilted and shows and gets sunlight is known as the sunlight. It is having day. The sun that is not having it is known as the does not have day. Now we have revolution. This causes season. As the axis is tilted, it causes some places to not have.
एक्सेल करते हैं आपको सर्च क्या करना है
मेरे को एक लिस्ट बनाई हुई है ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट
It's
सर्चेबल ऐड करना है उसमें
have
जैसे
a
अपने
lot of
ऑनेस्ट
things.
लिखे तो ऑनेस्ट नीचे लिखा हुआ पूरे लिस्ट में से 3-4 जो होता है ना वो तुरंत ऊपर आ जाएगा
It does not have
बताओ
a sun because
हां वो आपको आता है फिल्टर लगा
tilted. As you may see, this is the southern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere. Let's imagine that. This is the sun.
देवेश बेबी
Huh?
फाजू और कंप्यूटर वीडियो कंट्रोल
Oh, shut up!
सर्चेबल प्रॉब्लम प्रॉब्लम लिस्ट तो बन गई
Okay. So where were we? Where were we? I forgot. Okay. So basically we were like here. So as you may see, this is the southern. This is the northern. This is the northern. This is the southern hemisphere. So basically, the sun is over here. The sun gives sunlight over here. This side gets more sunlight than this side, which means this side gets summer, while this side gets winter. And when rotating, there's some place where there's a fixed place where it's not too hot, neither too cold.
उधर लेके जाना
Now here, this is a place where it's not too cold, not too hot. This is spring. This is also autumn sometimes. There we go. That is the short chapter explanation. That is the solar system. This is grade 4. If you're grade 5, this will be too high brain for you. So do not watch this. I will tell you closely. Okay. Thank you.